Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we have a brand new video for you guys. Here we have the new OnePlus 7 Pro. The 7 Pro finally came out and we purchased it immediately. We have the 7 Pro here. This is the Nebula Blue with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of RAM. As you guys know, if you know the OnePlus 7 Pro, it's made with Fluid AMOLED display, 19 Hz. It has a rapid charge. It will be ready in 20 minutes. It has a 48 megapixel main lens with triple camera, and it has different variation to buy it. It's up to 12 GB RAM as we have here. This is the most of RAM you can buy. So the OnePlus 7 Pro, it weighs 206 grams. It's not that light, but not too much weight either. Here in the box we have a clear case, a protection case. And here we have a pen to insert a SIM card and some papers from OnePlus. As we can see here, here's the phone. Never settle, and the fingerprint sign insert on the screen. Let's leave it here and let's see what we have here. We have the charger wrapped up, pretty good. And here we have the plug, or to plug it in the wall. As you can see, power supply unit. We have the model here in the bottom, output and input volts. And now we have here the phone. Let's go and unwrap it. As we can see, we have the Nebula Blue. Here we have the information about the IMAI, and as you can see, it's pretty beautiful color. So here we have the place to insert a cord, Type-C, and the speaker. In the left side we have volume up and down. In the right side we have the power on and off and the sound button. In the top, as you guys know, we have the selfie camera, which pops out immediately when you open the camera, the front camera. Here we have the triple camera, as we said. In the back we have the 3D Gorilla Glass, and we have three different colors: Mirror Gray, Nebula Blue, and Almond. And this is the Nebula Blue. It has a 4000 mAh battery, non-removable, and it has a Snapdragon 855, which is very good for this smartphone. The OnePlus 7 Pro is one of the used phone right now. It's so many people are asking to buy it, and now it's in our hand. As we know, the OnePlus has 4G or LTE, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC as well, so this makes the One 7 Pro a very good phone for these days. Let's go ahead and power it on. Here we see the sign of the A+, and powered by Android as well. And now the A+ is on. We have in the front the 3D Gorilla Glass. It's 7.66 inches, and it has a fluid AMOLED here in the front. We can see the live wallpaper here and navel saddle. So this is the first look of the new 7 Pro. We can see the new look. As we can see here in the settings, we have plenty of settings here. Here we can see the CPU, storage, camera, and screen. We have triple screen, 48, 16, and 8 megapixel. We have the 9 Android version. And the 7 Pro is looking really good. As you guys know, we have a camera. The selfie camera will pop up when you turn the camera in selfie, and will disappear again. So this function made the 7 Pro pretty interesting for the buyers. The 7 Pro with 90 Hz display is very preferred for gaming as well, and it has very clear display, a good resolution, and as you can see, it's not cut here, it doesn't have a notch or anything. The voice comes from this little grill, if you can see. That's why the camera is in the top. Here in the status bar we can see the Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth. We have the NFC, location, gaming mode. As I said, this phone is very used for gaming as well. We have reading mode, screen record from the phone. We have the hotspot and Zen mode. So the 7 Pro, for my opinion, is beyond the iPhone X. which they are saying they are competing, but the 7 Pro for now it has many options and futuristic that the other phone doesn't have. In the settings we have the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, application notification, display. We can change the theme as well, change the resolution. We have sound and vibration, buttons and gestures, battery, storage, security, account, utilize, Google, system, and about phone. If you go to security, we have, as you know, the fingerprint, which is inserted in the bottom area of the phone. We go here, put the N for new tag, and here it lights up the fingerprint scanner. If you press, you can see how is reading my thumb. And now you have to put your edge of your thumb as well. So I'm gonna rotate my thumb here. And you can see when I press how it lights up to tell you that is reading. And now we can test the fingerprint. As you can see, this is very fast. It replies and it locks out really fast. And it has other ways to secure and lock the screen. We have the face unlock, and let me add the face unlock here, and let's try how fast it will pop up the camera and unlock with my face. And now after I insert the new face unlock, I put my face here, and let's try now how fast it will unlock with the face unlock. As we saw, that was really fast for the pop-up camera. This is really good for OnePlus as well. Let's try that again. As you guys saw, the camera popped up really fast and goes down again really fast. And here you can see the white theme. The security in this phone is really good. As you saw, the fingerprint and the face unlock were both, they work really good, which is best for your security, and it looks good in the white, the OnePlus 7 Pro. And with this color they really made a great phone. I like the 7 Pro. And if you want to buy the new OnePlus or another 7 series of the OnePlus, you can use our link down below for a voucher, $10 off for your accessory after you purchase your smartphone. And this was all for the OnePlus 7 Pro. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment down below, and subscribe our channel, turn the notification on See you in the next video.